Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're taking a look at the Sennheiser CX Sport in-ear wireless headphones. So a massive thank you to Sennheiser who did send these out to us. So on the front here we've got Sennheiser, you've got CX Sport in-ear wireless headphones. You can see the design black and yellow looks really nice together. So down here at the bottom they've just highlighted key 3 areas. So you've got Bluetooth technology built inside, so that means easy connectability, and then you can just sit back and enjoy your headphones. You've got 6 hours of battery life, which is going to be awesome, so you can use the majority of the day when you're traveling or you're going to the gym or having a workout, because it's sweat and splash resistant. So if you get caught in the rain even, you're going to be okay. You do have a bit of resistance there. So taking a look at the side, you have a QR code there. You can give that a quick scan and that'll take you to the website. You have AAC there, and that's part of the audio codec that it will work with. Bluetooth technology, then underneath as well you've got Qualcomm aptX and Qualcomm aptX low latency. Going around to the other side of the package in here, there is an app for these headphones that you can change and adjust your audio levels and make the music your way. So this is called Tune, and this is from Sennheiser. You can find it in the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. So we have some information on the back as well. Bluetooth version 4.2, connect 2 devices simultaneously, up to 6 hours of battery life, sweat and splash resistant, and the quick charge, 10 minutes will give you an hour of playback. Also down here at the bottom it's talking about an inline mic and remote for call and music control. And down here at the bottom you have ear fins and cable clip for added comfort and convenience. Just down here at the bottom, just pull this tab. So here is our first look at the headphones, and I do like this color. It's a very shocking color. You will turn your head. It's nice bright yellow with a black inline. So you can see your control system here. You also supplied a carry pouch here from Sennheiser, so you can keep these clean and keep them with you. So underneath as well we have information. So in our information bundle here we have a CX Sport Sennheiser. This is just going to be about your headphones, connecting them up, which I'm going to show you, and then how to change and use your control system there as well. Then also you have warranty and safety information, and again in multiple different languages there. And also in your packaging you're going to get your extra fins and extra in-ear adapters there to change to the size that best suits you. Here is your clip to manage the cable at the rear, as I was talking about earlier. Then finally your USB to micro USB for charging your headphones up, and with that quick charge as well, for just 10 minutes you can get an hour of playback. So if we turn these around, you just have a little bit for the cable inside here. Pull around, just click out gently because you don't want to damage your new headphones. So here in the UK from Sennheiser UK, they will cost £119. I will put a link in the description so you can go and check them out for yourself, and I will also put in an American price if you are interested in buying them from outside the UK. So taking a closer look at our headphones here, you can see a nice silver bit here with a Sennheiser logo there, like a glowing logo. Then you have your ear fins and your ear adapters. And like I said previously, they do include extras so you can change the size and adjust to your level, which I think is great. So coming down you'll see then your control system here. So you have your plus and your minus, your play, your stop, and you have your charger slot there. Coming around you can use the cable management, and also they have a drawstring here as well to help manage the cable even more. So coming down from this headphone you're going to find your battery. This is where it's going to store all its energy for that 6-hour use. So just on the ear fins as well, I just want to point this out. It was very small, I needed help to find this, but there is an L and there is an M. So the M is for the medium size and the L is for your left ear. So on the right hand side here you have an R and an M. So now we've unboxed them, let's set them up. So I'm going to use the Tune application from Sennheiser, and we're going to be using this on the Google Play Store. So here on the Google Play Store, if you just search Tune, and you'll see the Sennheiser logo as well. It's a free application, so if you scroll down you can see some information as well. If you click here read more, it gives you detailed information just saying how it's going to change and adjust the music levels and the tones that you want for the headphones, and that makes the music your way. So you can get out there, be free, you can really enjoy these headphones but still move around. So let's download this application. Like I said, it is free from the Google Play Store, which is awesome. So let's download. It's also free on the iOS App Store. So now that has downloaded, let's open this up. I'm going to also make sure that the Bluetooth is on. So you have your music your way, you have a player tile, and also you have a sound tile, a device tile, and it's just saying about here collecting user data, which we're going to say is okay. So we're all set up here. So now let's connect our device. So with your headphones, press the middle button. So I heard it say power on, and then what we're going to do is is move over to our device. So on our device, we're going to hit the logo here. We're going to hit the plus button. We're going to add another Bluetooth device. So in the settings here, it's got CX Sport. I'm going to hit connect to this one. So on the headphones, I'm hearing it say connected. So now let's jump back to the other application. Because I've connected through the menu system, it's come up in the options here. So we can click into this and we can use different settings here. So we've got different options as well. So once that is connected and in this area here, we're going to click on it. Then you've got your panel. So we have our device down here at the bottom. Then in the middle, you have your equalizer and then your options to change the levels. Up top, it's got a song ready to play. So if we hit play on here, so by hitting play, there is music coming through the headphones, and then you can go in here, and then this is where you can really adjust and change your sound levels and really make it your sound your way. That's the main point about these headphones from Sennheiser. So what I'm going to do is leave the video there, and I'll be going through more of the application in the review stage and telling you more about that application, but I wanted today to give you the unboxing and how to pair with a device. On an iOS device, it's going to be very similar as well, and thanks to the two devices simultaneously connecting, it'll be just connected straight away, and then you'll be able to play audio straight to it and switch to it. But this will remember as well up to 8 devices, and then once connected and then tell it to reconnect, it will just connect instantly and it'll be ready to use. These headphones have a total output of 112 decibels. They weigh 15.7 grams, and the range for these are 10 meters. The battery inside this device will last for 6 hours, and it is a lithium ion polymer battery. With Sennheiser, you also have the extra benefit of having high quality sound as well. So I'm looking forward to testing these out. There will be a full review on the channel very soon. If you have any questions or queries, please drop a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help. Please give the video a big like, as it is so nice of Sennheiser to send us out some products here to test on the channel. Thanks always for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.